Dirty white walls and stained tire sidewalls can instantly ruin the appearance of an otherwise clean vehicle. This professional-grade Whitewall and Sidewall tire brush is designed for one purpose: removing stubborn dirt quickly and effectively without unnecessary damage. From the first scrub, it delivers the firm cleaning power needed to restore tires that softer brushes simply cannot handle. Built with densely packed brass bristles, this brush provides the ideal balance between strength and control. The bristles are stiff enough to break down embedded grime, road film, and old tire dressing, yet carefully sized so they do not aggressively dig into the sidewall when used correctly. This makes it especially effective for classic whitewall tires, where deep-set dirt requires more than light agitation to remove. The durable handle is designed for comfort and stability, allowing confident grip during extended cleaning sessions. Whether you are working on tires, white walls, or other heavily soiled surfaces, the brush remains comfortable to use while applying consistent pressure. Many users also find it useful beyond tires, such as lifting dirt from automotive carpets when a dedicated heavy-duty brush is needed. With a compact and lightweight design, weighing approximately 0.1 kilogram, this brush is easy to maneuver and simple to store in any detailing kit. Over time, the brass bristles naturally soften slightly, which many users appreciate, as the brush continues to clean effectively while becoming even more forgiving with regular use. Its long service life makes it a dependable tool for both enthusiasts and professionals. This is not a miracle solution for every stain, but it is a reliable, purpose-built brush that excels at tough cleaning tasks where firm bristles are required. If you want a proven tool that works well on white walls and sidewalls and holds up over years of use, check the product link in the video description to learn more. Subscribe to the channel to discover more practical detailing tools that help you get real results with less frustration.